To get started, you need a piece of paper with a border on it and a pencil. You're going to first fold the paper in quarters, making sure that the border is on the outside. Now that you have the paper in quarters, you're going to start to draw your lines. Start from the edge and draw whatever kind of line you would like. It can go to the other border, it can go to the edge, any edge. Now that you've drawn your line, draw a second line following the first line that you drew, like that. Now you're going to draw some more lines. They can be curved. You can stay with this type of character of line, or you can do a rounded line. It should either touch the border or one of the edges of the paper or this line here. So I'm going to start with going up to the edge, like this. Okay, that's my line. And then I'm going to do another line. Now you will open your paper and fold it so that the pencil line and the border is on the inside. With your fingernail, you're going to rub very hard to transfer the lines to the other side of the paper. Sometimes a marker works really well if you don't have any fingernails. Carefully open it and see if you've transferred your lines. If your pencil line was dark enough, you will be able to see the new lines that you have transferred. Then you're going to go over those lines with your pencil with a pretty good pressure so that you're depositing enough carbon on the paper. Then you're going to fold the paper again and repeat that process with your fingernails or with a pen. Open it up and see if you've transferred your lines. Good. If your lines aren't coming up, go back and go over the original lines that you drew so that there's more carbon from the pencil on the paper, so that you're able to transfer those lines more easily. After you have transferred and outlined your lines, look at your drawing, look at your final design, and see if you're happy with it. If you are, simply turn it over, write your first name and last name nice and clear on the back of the paper. Very important. Now here are some designs, corner designs, and I want you to see what they have developed into. This. Here's another where the lines in the corner were rounded, and other curved lines added. And this is the design that we came up with. Here is a very simple design with an S shape, but when it's repeated in a mirror image, you have a very pleasing design. One more. Remember that all of the lines must be double lines. Don't forget to put your name on the back.